viewers, today we're gonna try lots of wooden engines on these tracks. Here you can see Busy as a Bee James and Duncan. Well, let's go ahead and see how they perform. Duncan didn't perform well on this track, but hopefully he performs well on this one. So let's go ahead and try. Here you can see this is a special Percy because it's all snow covered. You can see snow getting stuck all over Percy. And look at the nose. Oops. Now let's go ahead and see how Skarloey, the red engine, and here the special limited edition Golden Thomas perform. They both did pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and try two engines together this time. This time we're gonna try two green engines and two yellow engines. So let's go ahead and see who perform better. Last time you can see both of them did pretty awesome. This time we're gonna try with the three-wheelers. You can see both Oliver and here you can see Busy as a Bee James. Both of them have three wheels, and this Percy two-wheelers and Duncan also two-wheelers. So let's see, it's gonna be three-wheelers versus two-wheelers. Oh, you can see two-wheelers did better and three-wheelers got stuck here, but anyway you can't blame them because this one is more elevated, so they got more force. And let's try again. So this time we switched. You can see two-wheelers came to this flat side, flat track, and the wavy track three-wheelers will be running on. So let's see how they perform. And they got stuck here, but we just noticed that they were not sitting properly. That's why probably they were not running well. So let's see how they perform this time. Alright viewers, here on this awesome elevated track you saw Duncan playing, and then you saw snow-covered Percy running, you saw Skarloey, and then Golden Thomas, Busy as a Bee James, Oliver, and Harvey. Oops. And you also saw Alfie running. And thank you viewers, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment. How did you guys like this? And if you wanna watch more of this kind of video, please hit the like button if you like the video, and see you again.